Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix settings if it's not opening in your Windows 10 or 11. First of all, you can try opening settings a different way. Click on the search bar, then type in run and open the run command. Or you can also go ahead and press the Windows key and X together. Now select settings to open it. And in the run window, you can type in ms.settings and press enter to open settings. If that does not work, click on the search bar and type in Task Manager, or you can also right click on it and then select Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, then right click on it and select Restart. After it restarts, try opening settings again either through the search bar or the run window method. Or click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and here type in CMD or command prompt and run it as an administrator. Give administrator privileges if needed. And here type in sfc/scan now and hit enter on your keyboard. And this will begin the system scan. This will scan for and repair problems. And when it finishes, try opening settings again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.